We're back.
One of our subscribers named Byron has so kindly told us about a web page, this one here, called Easy Wipers, telling us how to do it. All right? Are we going to try and get this on?
We're going to try. Thank you, Byron, for the suggestion.
All right. Here's what it says. It says, start on the driver's side of your SC430. Most blades are held in place with a tiny clip. Push that clip up towards the arm and push the blade backwards, as if you were sliding it down the wiper arm. You got that?
I think so.
Okay, we're going to try on the passenger side because that is the one that's actually the most screwed up.
Okay.
Let's see if Amy can do it.
Well, we don't have, obviously we can't lift this up any higher because
That's the problem,
that's
right?
the problem. So I'm just looking for that part that's supposed to be sticking up that you push.
That's just it.
The clip. Is this the clip? Maybe. Hold on.
No, that the clip doesn't. The clip looks more like this. So
Let me see it again.
yeah, you have to take a look around.
Okay, so it sticks out. But that I don't see anything sticking out here at all. Everything's connected.
We're gonna try it on the driver's side now. All right. So can you see it?
Hold on, yeah. Well, let's see. Lift this up. Looking for a clip. I see like it connects here, and it connects here, and it connects here, and it connects here. But
That's the blade. We're actually taking this off. The whole thing. Right? Wait. Come take a look at the picture again.
Oh, is that it?
Try. He says, push the clip up toward the arm. So that's up toward the ceiling.
I don't know if that's it. It's like so hard, I can't move it. I don't know, I don't think that's it. Yeah, I know, because if I could lift it up, I could bend it.
Right.
But I can't bend it because of the hood being in the way. I don't know.
So does it look like we have another fail?
I think it's another fail. You know, I clearly see it here on this picture. You see this little piece that's sticking out like that, and there's no piece like that here sticking out anywhere that I can see. Because
I just can't see it.
I can't see it either.
How come wipers could be so difficult? They're wipers. They should be just like kaboom.
I know. You would
All
think.
right.
You would think.
So that's either us or Lexus.
I think it's us.
Which is why you need to subscribe, because we'll solve this.
We will solve it. Please subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button there. We'd greatly appreciate it. And yeah, we'll post another video soon. Hopefully we're more successful.